Are we ready? Okay. Let's not feel tough about it. All right? Put your hands in this position, please. Make a faculty of O of your mouth. O. G-O-D, God, O. Center O. Between vagus nerves, between two lips. Make O. Hey, trust me for a while. Later on, curse me as much you want. But question is, do the job. Okay? Now put your hands here, please. Just exactly like as mine are. Not like this, not like that. And make O. And just do one thing. Move your hands, 5 tattvas, and breathe in 5, 6, 8 times and breathe out 5, 6, 8 times. Fast. You never do that at home, I know. Though this kriya is already in the book. Fast, powerful, don't meet. This power, this magnetic power of the lower sciatica will be developed if you move this fast and breathe with it. That way your diaphragm will move and your all blood will rush to the brain, create the new cells, drain out the old one, your gray matter will change, you will be perfect. Now, it's a simple explanation. They call it Taunkani, pressure to purify with the power of breath your heavens, that is called khopri, that is called skull. That's the oldest word for it. Move, 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 move. We have a watch today, it's working too. Hey, today is another birthday. That day we have a wedding anniversary, we have big cookies. Today will be fortune cookies. Sadhana Kaur. Oh. What, she's 92-year-old? Guru Peter? Guru Fateh? Oh, his birthday. Wow. And thanks for the flowers for the altar. Now use your entire force of control and decontrol on these hands. Watch me, I am doing it. You understand? And you will start sweating. You want to clean all dead cells which are stuck, that's the way. Put extra pressure. This extra pressure, you do it right, you can sweat. Go on, if you have a blood pressure problem, you will see how calm and quiet and normal your blood pressure remains for weeks. If you do this exercise every day, you will have no problem. You know that mental itch, mind does that inside. Use the force. Na, 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 this, na, 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 na. Use whole hand. Elbow to palm of the hand and breathe. You may freak out a little bit, start buzzing, that's all right. Do it, do it, do it. Your spine will jump, your body will jump. It's a very powerful exercise if you do it right. And don't feel miserable, smile, do it right. You are not under punishment, it's a voluntary thing. Come on. Hey, this is the Kundalini Yoga. Within 3 to 7, 5, 11 minutes, it must produce results. But don't waste time. Come on, folks. There is a word in dictionary called honesty. So let us be honest in putting this exercise through, this kriya through. Concentrate, meditate, and do it right. O of the mouth has to be complete. As you like. If you can keep open, you are great. Normally people automatically close. It means you are not doing right. Thank you. Come on. Hurry up. If you work hard, your eyes will not remain open. I know that. I do it myself. You know what stops doing it? You do like this. First thing is your eyes start becoming down. When you're not doing with that force, you look like this. Now somebody can do it like this. It's okay. I'm not going to lose anything. You paid already. It doesn't make anything. This class is prepaid. Come on, folks. Work hard. Once in lifetime, become insane and work hard so you can be healthy. What's wrong with that? Don't you wish it? It's no formula, follow no philosophy. It's a simple thing, your own self. Clean out this sinkhole so the water can go. Hard, I know it is difficult. Some of you start doing like this, doesn't matter. Keep going. When the pranic energy through the breath will start exhaling, it will kill all the old age bloods and old age cell, cleans you out. That's all it is, it's not a secret. There's nothing to sell. Come on, do it right. Harder you do, better it will be. And I'm going to pull you blind 11 minutes. If you think you don't want to do it, it's up to your risk. Guru Gun Gyan, shame on you being young, you are not putting your full force. I know you are strong. What the hell with you? Do it right. And keep your mouth whole. You're closing it. That's not right. Sadhana, you are doing good. That's the right thing. And when you go for your medical and you will be very tired, you do it 11 minutes, you will get rid of all tiredness, I can guarantee you. And moreover, I tell you, all the paper you can have a photogenic memory, so you don't have to work hard. Come on, folks. Now, by this watch, you have to work 4 more minutes. Take a chance. Invest your energy, forget your ego and discomfort temporarily, and please do it right. Hard you work, better it will be. Breathe in strokes and breathe out in strokes. Don't you understand simple rule? Three more minutes. Everybody wants energy, everybody doesn't want to be tired, everyone wants to think right, everybody wants to be intuitive, enlightened, so many claims that they can't breathe. Can you believe this? Do it right, you too. Gurtej, you have brought a poem? Or only a truck? What do you say? You're doing sadhana, yes or no? Okay. 2 more minutes. Do it, at least put your best into it. Elbows should be stiff, whole arm should be stiff. The body magnetic field must move. Bhai Lakho, this is 5,000-year-old science when man was just a man and woman was just a woman. There was no bifurcation among us and we were never tribal. Harder! You are entering last minute, 10 seconds and 1 minute left. Now try your best. 45 seconds left. Come on. Thirty seconds left. Now this is a very special thing. Stand by and please open your eyes and watch me when you are reaching the end. 15 seconds left. Harder, harder, harder. Harder. Please. Stand by, fold your hands and stretch your body like this. Hold the breath, stretch it, and shake the entire body with the power of the fist. That will decide your youth. Shake the entire body just from here. Breathe out. Don't worry, it is a very good exercise. Inhale again. And now, go. Do your best. All dead cells will leave. Breathe out. Now this is the last chance. Breathe in. Little more. Go. Harder. Harder. Relax. We are fine. Yeah, see? You can't do it in Gold Gem, this exercise.